Hello friends! In today's tutorial, I will show you 2 ways to easily turn off voice navigation in Google Maps. Whether the voice annoys you or you simply prefer to rely on visual directions, this process is quick and easy. Follow the steps I'm about to present and enjoy driving without distractions. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the Google Maps app on your device. Right after opening it, you will see your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Tap it to open the menu. In the menu, find the Settings option and tap it. Once you're in the settings, scroll down, and when you see the option called Navigation Settings, tap it. Now, in the Mute State section, tap the Muted option to turn off voice navigation. Now I will show you another way to turn off voice navigation. So, go back to the map, then type your desired destination in the search bar and select an option from the available results. Right after that, tap the Start button to begin navigation. Once you've done that, you will now see the speaker icon in the top right corner. Tap on it, then tap the mute icon to turn off voice navigation. And that's it for this video, friends. Like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.